सिंधी मुंहिंजो मान आहे, सिंधी मुंहिंजी शान आहे।
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 हेलो बेटा। One more. You're ready. Thank you.
Would you like to say something? No. Speechless? Good. Shrishti Punjabi, second prize. Shrishti. Congratulations, Shrishti.
Sir, ma'am. Thank you.
What do you want to say? Speechless? Like your friend? Very good. Okay, Ankita Ajbani. She's got the second prize. This girl has immense potential but doesn't want to work under a structured environment. She just wants to do jo dil kahe. Okay, so let's see what she does in the future, but definitely her talent is being appreciated year after year. She's shown a lot of growth in her work. I wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Wherever, whatever you do, I'm sure you'll make a big name. Riya Murjani. Can I have Riya here? Asta Desai. Third prize, Asta. It's been only a couple of months that I've been working on Asta, about 6 to 8. Great potential.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
Because I think I asked ma'am and ma'am says that my potential is better for architecture than design. I'm just going to say. What do you feel? I'm going to blindly trust her.
It's not about blindly trusting me. It's about blindly trusting your own belief.
Exactly.
Where you feel is your strength. Do you see yourself 10 years, 15 years down the line working as this kind of a profession, as an architect, as a designer, as a fashion designer? Where do you perceive yourself? If you can perceive that, then go ahead and do it.
Exactly.
Yes. So I've made my decision this architecture. Okay.
Then we have Jena Tinani, sorry. Jena is not here. Ankita Ajbani has also been awarded a second consolation prize for some kind of special education which the jury felt she needs to be given. You can have a look at those drawings, please. We have one student who is doing the foundation course at Rachna Sansal. She's been with me for more than 4 years now. We started very young. We've come to a point 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ho gaya. She's doing tremendously well. She's doing the foundation course in art, and from there she'll decide whether she wants to go for product designing, commercial arts, fine arts, or some other program. But this exposure to the foundation course is definitely going to teach her and tell her how she perceives herself as an artist, be it commercial, fine artist, but it's going to give her a door opener, a mind opener, where she can think and actually decide what she wants to become. So, Zeb, do you want to share something from your college? How art has helped you, and what you're doing at college, and what you do parallelly at the academy?
College actually teaches us like overall art for the foundation course. It's done, and Hansamas actually teaches the same. I don't really find any difference in colleges. I think both are quite similar. Actually, she's more.
That's what it is.
I wouldn't say that the teachers at the college are any less than me. One because they are teaching a lot of students in one batch, about 60 of them. So the kind of attention that a child gets, यहाँ हम कहीं आकर अटक जाते हैं तो हमको पता नहीं कि how do we go further. So with me, when the child is sitting, we actually discuss the entire assignment. We are going to do this, we are going to do this like this. This is my input, this is my advice. Do some kind of research, come back, we will make the entire picture. So I feel some amount of that kind of practice, if you put into the system, you are able to create something which is more individualistic. And that's where you start, your work stands up. So giving your mind that thought कि मुझे इसको सबसे अलग करना है is also important, whichever college you may be in. So Zeb is doing wonderfully well, and we are awarding her the first prize. Congratulations, Zeb. Urja Chaudhary has come in late, but she's won the third prize. We are awarding her the third prize for the intermediate category. Yeah, Urja Chaudhary.
So,
Congratulations, Urja. Okay, we now move on to our water and poster colors. The basic, the first prize goes to, okay, Mukesh ji. The first prize in the water poster color category goes to Madhu Bajaj, but I think Madhu has left. The second prize goes to Sarika Wafna. She's also not here. Kunjal Parikh is also traveling out of station, so all the three prize winners are not here. Kajal Malpani is also not here. She's also traveling out station, so we hold those prizes and we give it to them in the class. The water poster color, the advanced category. The first prize goes to Vandana Valecha. First prize. I must tell you who is Vandana. Vandana and Karuna are mother and daughter. So they need no more introduction. So you know from where Karuna has got all this. Yes, definitely that streak is there, and Vandana herself is doing some very, very good work. Congratulations. The second prize पूरी टक्कर पे था, इसको कैसे हैंडल किया है मुझे पता है, is going to Sejal Maniar. And Sejal is a mother to my two beautiful students, Prisha and Sachi. I must say that.
that was great. Yes, ma'am. They will be inspired by her mother.
Definitely. The third prize goes to Mrs. Vidya Venkat. Please, Vidya. Vidya is a mother to Aparna, so you know how it is. Third prize. Very well done. Congratulations. Now we are moving to the oil painting category, basic. The basic oil category, the first prize goes to Sheetal Mehta. Is Sheetal ji around? Okay, so Asta is collecting the prize for Sheetal ji. The second prize goes to Pooja Randeri. Is Pooja around? Zaiba Contractor. Not around. The first prize in the first consolation prize to Nandan Bhandari. It's really appreciated that Nandan has done oils in the basic. He is in the standard 9 standard. But beautiful work. Being a boy, his brush skills, his strokes are amazing. The next prize is Anushka Patkar, third consolation. Anushka Patkar. Anushka is also not around. In the oils advanced category, as we all know, we already said Karuna Valecha. She gets the first prize. Karuna Valecha.
You are selling that I'm buying it. Seriously, I'm not joking. Really, I'm buying it.
Karuna ji.
She goes and makes another one and he
थोड़ी सी करुणा, you will become a great Say some words.
Yeah, please say. You will inspire a lot.
We request Karuna to please say some words. See, it's a journey that we all go through, and sharing experiences only help us think about, how can we get here? Okay, so please.
Okay, I actually started oil painting on my own at home, but when I came here, and the difference between that and what I've done now is like, I can say I've grown like more than 100% with her, that much.
I made an offer to buy that painting. You know why? After 10 years, her paintings will be sold at some crores. I will have the first one,
Thank you, sir. Second prize goes to Neha Mistry. You can see the beautiful, vibrant Ganpati there. Yeah, that's by Neha Mistry. Congratulations, Neha. And Neha is a fashion designer by profession. Karuna is a graphic designer, web designer by profession, graphic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, in the acrylics category, we have one painting, and that is the first prize, again going to Vandana. Vandana, for your beautiful landscape.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. All the winners who have received their merit certificates will not get a certificate of participation, but the students who haven't received the merit certificate need to collect their certificate of participation from the counter to the left as you leave. Also collect your goodies before you leave the premises. It's been a very, very nice day, and it's been a pleasure teaching you all. I would continue doing that all my life. Thank you so much for it. And a budding artist. Dr. Manisha, would you like to say something?
Ma'am, doctor.
Sorry for the I'm not in touch since 3 months, I think so. A bit busy, but it's a great experience to work with Hansa, and it gives immense pleasure and relaxation of mind when you are with her. And we don't know that we have this caliber to work out, but she has a talent to, she makes us to how to bring out our art out of us. So she is very good with the kids. I am with her since last 2 years, and I know her personally how she is doing with the kids and everybody, and she is working really hard. And I always wish her that she progress like a bird and touches the sky.
Thank you so much.